Welcome to Viju Smart 19 YouTube channel. Namaste one and all. In this video, geography, India geographical position and physical features. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, guys and dears. We learn about the following in this chapter. Chapter means India geographical positions and physical features. First point, heritage of our country. Second point, the origin and background of the word Bharat. Third point, India's geographical locations, extents, land and water boundaries and the neighboring countries. Fourth point, India physical divisions. Fifth point, mountains, plains and coastal regions. In this lesson, India exhibits unity in diversity from ancient times. This variety is unique to our country in the entire world, and as such has given a rich heritage when we observe a deserve of physical features, climate, conditions, natural vegetations and people. We feel this country can be called a subcontinent. India's positions in the world. India is a peninsula located in Southeast Asia. It is also called India and Hindustan. The name India has been derived from river Indus. It has been named Bharat after the ancient Indian king Bharata. The country is entirely in the northern hemisphere. It is wide in the north, tapering to form a triangle in the south, ending in the Indian Oceans. Size, India is 32,87,263 square kilometers in area. It is the seventh largest country in the world. It occupies about 2.4% of the world's total area. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is also known as the National Capital Territory, NCT, means as per the 2011 census, India has a total population of 121 crores. It has about 17.5% of the world populations. India is the second largest country as far as population is concerned and ranks behind China. Latitudinal positions. India extends from 8 degree 41 degree to 37 degree to 6 in the northern latitude. The total length from Kanyakumari in the south to Kashmir in the north is 3,214 kilometers. When the islands are also taken into consideration, Indira Point in the Great Nicobar Island, located at 6 degree 45, is the southernmost point. The Tropic of Cancer or 23.5 degree north latitude passes through central part of India. Longitudinal positions. With regard to its longitudinal positions, India extends from 68 degrees 7 east to 97 degree 25 east longitude. From east to west about 2,933 kilometers. India standard time is based on 82.5 degree east longitude passing through Allahabad. Indian time is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time 0 degree latitude by about 5 hours and 30 minutes. Frontiers and neighboring countries. India, being a peninsula, it has both land and water frontier to India has 50,200 kilometers of land frontier and 6,100 kilometers of coastal line. India shares land frontier with 7 nations in the northwest. It shares with Afghanistan and Pakistan in the north with China, Nepal and Bhutan. In the east with Myanmar, Burma and Bangladesh. Sri Lanka in the south and Maldives in the southwest are also neighboring countries of India. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you one and all. Continue this lesson next video. Thank you one and all.